Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essential gear and the first actionable adjustments. Equip the deep barrel and load a half-charge module, then set your elevation to a 30 degrees baseline so the trajectory clears obstacles. Once done, crouch 20-30 meters behind cover to stabilize and keep stamina near 60% to avoid sway. Make sure to enable lead assist if the target is moving, because that compensates for projectile drop. Now you're ready to initiate the approach toward the firing window. You execute the shot by synchronizing wind up and release. Hold your breath for about 1.2 to 1.5 seconds to minimize sway, and start a slow, smooth pull of the trigger. Once the target reaches roughly 40% across your sight, release while nudging your aim up by half a degree for distance compensation. After firing, apply a quick 0.3-second downward counter to control recoil and step back 1 to 2 meters to reset your position. This sequence preserves accuracy and readies you for follow-ups. You finish by checking hit markers and immediately cycling to the next round. If your ammo drops below 20%, reload before repositioning. If the shot misses, adjust by increasing elevation 1 degree or shorten the wind-up by 0.2 of a second and try again, because small timing and angle tweaks fix most errors. Make sure to toggle lead assist and recalibrate your 30-degree baseline when trajectory consistently trends low. That single troubleshooting step usually restores consistent deep shot results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.